Our next speaker couldn't be here in person, but he still wanted to share his message with us. Brad Donnelly is our VP of Production and has over two decades of experience in both the software and mining industries. Throughout his career, he's led consulting teams, overseen global operations, and driven strategic initiatives at an executive level. While he couldn't be here in person, he's prepared a recorded message for us. Let's take a moment to hear from Brad.
Good morning, everyone. This next presentation is just to provide an overview of the production portfolio and a few insights into some of our thinking here at Datamine when it comes to the future direction of our solutions that we take to market. My name's Brad Donnelly. I'm the VP of Production here at Datamine. So one of our product VPs. And unfortunately, I'm not at the event today, so I've pre-recorded this session. I do wish you all the best for the day, and I hope everyone gets a bit of value out of some of the presentations that are on the agenda for today. So just to put the production portfolio into a bit of context, at Datamine, we have 6 portfolios of products, from exploration through to geology and planning, through to production, and then laboratories and sustainability. So within the production portfolio, we've got a series of products, and some of those are represented through presentations today. So if we then look at what does the production portfolio deliver to market, we are all about empowering, mining operations, so delivering real-time visibility, actionable insights, and data-driven tools to improve efficiency and accuracy and drive, success across your mining operation. Some of the challenges that we see in the mining industry. So the first is around a single source of truth. So many disparate systems in the systems landscape. We still see customers using spreadsheets and things like that, which make it difficult to have a single source of truth. Visibility of information. So being able to use metrics as a sign of how things are performing, and being able to use those to drive improvements in your operations. Accountability is another one, so having a clear understanding of processes and controls on how decisions are made. Sustainability, having business processes that are sustainable regardless of the changing operational conditions. And we do know that change is constant, and things do change in the mining landscape in particular. And then scalability, ensuring that systems and processes that we have in place can scale without business interruption, and that's very important. So how does the production portfolio overcome these challenges and help our customers increase production and efficiency in their operations? The first is, delivering knowledge and insights to key decision makers. So through data visualization, notifications and reporting, auditability, but being able to, trust the data that you're seeing and is being reported to you through a single source of truth. We also look at improved productivity through things like shift planning and short interval control, performance to plan monitoring, and KPI analysis. We also help our customers maximise metal recovery through things such as integrated material control, metals balancing and accounting, and reconciliation. And also, at the end of the day, it's about meeting customer expectations, so delivering on your contractual commitments. We do that through contract management, conveyance and logistics, making sure that the right quality and quantity of material is delivered against a contract. So there's nothing that goes off spec and attracts penalties in the process, through to trading lifecycle management. And we're all about breaking down silos, leveraging data you can trust for improved decision making, and delivering solutions that can grow with you. If we look at the capabilities that the portfolio brings to market. The first is integrated material control, things like material tracking, stock management, transport and logistics and reconciliation, operations control, performance to plan monitoring, shift planning, short interval control, asset monitoring, processing insights and optimization, so plant performance monitoring, metallurgical balancing, refinery management, consumables management, through to commodity lifecycle management. So, as I said, contracts management, logistics and supply chain optimization, remediation. So, if something is looking like it's going to go off spec, then we've got an opportunity to remediate that and make a change. So, that doesn't occur. Through to trading lifecycle management, so pricing and evaluations, hedging and risk management, financial performance analysis, all underpinned by analytics. We do have, a customer base across the globe. So our solutions, support a wide range of customers, all different commodities, the full range of mining methods, all around the globe. And these are all supported through Datamine's network of regional offices. And obviously Perth office here in Australia is one of our major regional office locations. And I guess our vision within the portfolio is really to assist customers with, providing data-driven mining for a sustainable future. So, as I said, being able to use data to make key decisions and making sure that, we can deal with change and without business interruption. But we help customers maximise performance to plan, improve grades, increase throughput, improve recovery, reduce costs and boost revenue. And we do that by enabling effective decision-making through the efficient transformation of data into actionable knowledge. As I said in the introduction, I do want to share some insights into some of our thinking around where we want to take our solutions in the production portfolio. We got together a team of our product managers and R&D managers late last year. And I guess the remit of that exercise was to, think about where we wanted to be in a few years' time from a solutions offering point of view. And we've captured the outcomes of those discussions into a series of themes, which I'm just going to share with you. And, whilst I'm not there at the event today, there are some Datamine representatives that can answer any questions you may have, and happy to take questions personally post the event as well. But the first theme is around enterprise-grade solutions. So being able to deal with things like single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, information security, excuse me. So making sure that we're compliant with certain certifications, around information security. So ISO's 27001 certification will be important, ensuring that we do regular penetration testing, particularly when we're offering solutions in the cloud or via SaaS, and making sure that we're remediating the outcomes of those penetration tests. Data privacy will be important, so being, again, compliant with, standards such as GDPR. Multi-site support. So when it comes to mining customers, we do have customers that are quite complex in nature. Various sites in different geographies around the world, and being able to support, those different geographies, different languages, different time zones, and being able to cater for those more complex environments is something that we certainly need to consider. There is a theme around common platforms. So we really do want to move to a more integrated landscape with our production portfolio offering. So having solutions that are integrated within a Datamine connected enterprise, being able to plug and play with our products and solutions that we provide to our customers. So being able to, bundle solutions together in a seamless way. So making sure that whatever solutions we do provide to our customers, the user experience is seamless, and there is a consistent user interface or look and feel that we provide to our customers. third theme is around making sure that we are, leading our market segment, or, providing best-in-class solutions to our customers. So whether that be a single product or a bundled solution, we want to make sure that they are, as I said, best-in-class or best-in-market, and that they're solving real problems that our customers have. We want to move towards, solutions that are natively web or mobile, and we see that becoming more prevalent in the market. Providing solutions that are easily deployed, and having flexibility of that deployment model, whether that be, web, cloud, SaaS, on-prem, or mobile. We certainly see that flexibility is going to be important in the future. And we're seeing that, becoming more prevalent, even in today's market. And I mentioned embedded analytics previously, but we do want to make sure that our solutions have embedded analytics across our offering. The next theme is around advanced analytics. So, catering for newer technology around AI and machine learning, predictive and prescriptive analytics, being able to do, what-if analysis. So using scenario modelling to be able to, run different scenarios, see the outcome, and being able to then use those outcomes to assist in improving or optimising and automating operations. We see that as a significant trend in the market. I touched on user experience previously, but whatever we do provide to market needs to be, seamless to our users. Our solutions need to be highly visual and appealing to the end user. So, making sure that those users are extremely happy with the interaction that they have with our solutions. Easy to use and, user configurable. So again, making sure that ease of use, simplicity is front and center of our thinking. At the moment, some of our solutions do take a little while to configure, and it's moving to a landscape where we've got either tools in the product or other mechanisms to assist with that configuration activity. And I think it was MRL that did a presentation at last year's Enterprise Symposium that referenced the right-click new mine from a user configuration point of view. So we do want to adopt that simplification of our tool set. We also want to think about performance. So it doesn't matter what we do, we always need to make sure our solutions perform optimally. The last thing we want to see is, users waiting for, a significant amount of time for something like a report or a screen to be refreshed or something like that. So we do need to make sure that our solutions perform well in whatever environments we're deploying them in. And I mentioned the user interface having consistency and common UI across our offerings is going to be important. And then the next theme is around industry best practice. So we always want to make sure that our solutions are adhering to and complying with some of these codes of practice. So JORC code, certainly a topic around reconciliation for us at the moment. AMIRA P754 compliance through our production accounting, metallurgical balancing solution offering. ISO 27001 certification I mentioned before around information security. And then, something like ISA 95 when it comes to interoperability and making sure that we adhere to those standards when it comes to message formats. And that's it for me today. So I do want to just say thank you for your time and attention, and I do wish you all the best for the rest of the day. Thanks very much.